The wind's a shit?
That's the power of the pepper. No, it's the wind hitting the pepper. It makes a little noise, you know. The power of the pepper. And so I guess now you know we survived COVID.
So YouTube didn't know till right now.
Okay, so now you really know we survived COVID. Yeah. No.
We've been down. You might be wondering where we've been.
Yeah, I wasn't scared for my life or nothing.
Same.
The shortness of breath stuff, it happened a little bit, but then it would go away right away.
Sometimes I feel like an elephant was sitting on my chest.
Yeah, I'm mostly like if I start doing stuff, now that I'm doing better, if I start doing stuff, I get winded. You know?
So we decided to get out today.
Yeah.
Because we haven't really left in over a week.
Yeah, it's been too long.
So
We're in the forest.
we couldn't go around people.
Yeah.
So we're around trees.
Some of the best things you could have is the forest and taco truck, so we did that.
And the crows are talking to each other.
And it's pretty wild out here today. It doesn't look like it here, but it's full of people. Lots of campers, hunters.
Yeah.
People
Tents.
riding their ATVs.
Camp camping.
Yeah. Got a vulture yelling.
We got snacks.
Yeah.
Yep.
We got new pumps on there. It doesn't fall down anymore.
That's great.
Yeah.
Got new brakes.
New brakes and rotors.
It got really needy at 200,000.
Yeah. Between this and the Blazer, we were eating top ramen. It was all bad. No, we were sick anyways. I did a bunch of work to this right before I got COVID, so. Yeah. Some white trash. That's your trash. It's white trash. You know that? Because it was her trash, it makes it white trash.
I'm glad I'm making this segment for YouTube.
They can't even hear me.
Yeah, they can.
What? Man, we're out here. We've been seeing a lot of pecker woods. No, what? What's going on?
Oh my god. Boom. Boom. Did you go on a nice hike?
Yeah.
There's a rock.
There's people. Huh?
Let you do your selfie post.
Well, we're gonna be on someone's YouTube channel.
Alright, well, we're all done with our picnic. Now what are we doing?
I don't know. Go check out the lake. Joe, doggy back, mister. Come on, doggy back.
Oh, but it looked like Eli was driving.
Oh. We're gonna go to the lake. It's on the way. Check that out. I'm sure it's full of humans.
Yep.
So we won't stay too long. I think we need to get a coffee too at some point.
Yep.
And then I don't know. Yukon's doing good though. Holy. We were supposed to bring the Blazer the next time we came up here, but the Blazer broke down twice. Minor things. So it's not quite ready to come up here yet.
We're also not in the mood to deal with car trouble.
Yeah, we need to. I'm gonna let her shake it down more. She drives it an hour a day, I guess it would be, right?
Yeah.
So it's a good shakedown, but it is giving us. There's been 2 breakdowns, so just I don't think we even talked about it. Doggy back. We had look at this road. We had a bunch of vacuum lines go, and it made the RPM stuck at like 3,000, and then we had the heater core hoses fall off.
Yeah.
That was about it. But you know, those kind of things. Look at these boulders, you gotta watch it. Oh yeah. It gets a little rough right here. I think that's it. That might be the better spot even.
So, look at the lights on the top of that thing.
Oh yeah. Look at
They're
that.
ready for anything.
It's
I
pretty
don't think I got
cozy.
their back open. It's like a nice, I don't know, it's a container. We made it.
Gotta get our paws wet.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels warm. That's not good. Oh, wait, hold on. Now it gets colder. It's pretty warm in the edge. That's where you don't want to drink, huh?
Don't fall.
Got that COVID balance.
Bro, what?
You gonna swim?
I really can't. I want to stay in this.
You want buggy swim?
It doesn't smell the best, but whatever.
It's not good. Go ahead. So where we just were was on the other side of those trees, up on the hill, and that's like a camping area. You know, you can shoot whatever. And then here is
The recreation
it's like a private. What is it? What's it called? The
community.
club.
Oh, Moose Lodge.
Moose Lodge. Yeah. It's very cool. It's all free with donation.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. Look at the dam. You showed the dam.